treat, something good and nice to eat. I don't shout, I don't tease, I say please, please, please. Please, 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 please. That's the magic word.
That's the magic word.
Please, 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 please. A happy word we've heard. When my friend gives me a toy or helps me share my joy, I don't grab, I don't boo, I say thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's the sweetest sound.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you, thank you. May kindness go around. What do we say when we ask for cake?
Please, please, please.
What do we say when our friend lets us play?
Thank you, thank you.
Good job, hooray. That's what kind kids say. Listen, thank you every day. Use your manners, hooray, hooray. Blues and thank you, sing this way. Kind words make a happy day.
Well done, everybody. High five. I hope you had a Bobpop in time.